Creativity is really hard to find, especially if you're a person who's required to be creative every single day. I used to work in the beauty industry, shooting and editing tutorial videos, and it becomes repetitive. So one way that I found was useful to differentiate all the videos is to create unique sets of graphics for each video. Adobe Motion Graphics templates now allow editors, content creators, directors to be able to use professional templates without learning an entirely new program. When I'm creating my templates in After Effects, I'm thinking of the digital creator, of people who may not have the opportunity to hire someone specifically to make graphics for them.
I am a content creator on YouTube with over 2 million subscribers across the channels that I work on. Chad and I, my husband, we create family-friendly entertainment videos, and then I have a separate channel for myself and I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. Hi guys, it's V Quaint. Today we're gonna do a natural beauty look, so let's get started. We are putting out 2 to 4 videos per week. So I'm always looking for ways to make my videos pop, but also be really efficient with time. Premiere Pro is kind of like a one-stop shop for me now. I edit in there, I color correct with Lumetri in there, and now I can add motion graphics. Before, I would have to go into After Effects, then go online, look for a tutorial on how to use it, but now I can do everything in Premiere Pro.
When I create a template, I want to use everything that only I've made. So if I need something like light leaks or bokeh balls, I create it myself. You can go in, open the Essential Graphics panel, and be able to change the color, change the size of the templates, whatever the author of the template intended, the person in Premiere can adjust. Motion graphics templates is another way that Adobe is empowering the content creator and making it easy for them to fulfill their vision.